Today we're going to create a potion vial holder to keep all of our concoctions. Begin by tracing a pattern for your foam backing. Cut that out and trace it onto foam. Trace your foam onto some CosBond attachment build. Cut that out and peel and stick it to your foam. Now, peel and stick the foam to some pleather. Place some attachment build to the back and wrap the pleather around the edges. For the vial holders, cut out some strips of the same pleather. Now cut out long pieces of attachment build and stick those to the pleather. Then begin folding it along the seam. Now measure around your vials and cut the strips. Use a tiny piece of CosBond attachment build to make a small loop for all of your vials. Carefully stick all your vial loops onto the backing. Now make 2 thicker straps for the belt loops and stick these to the back of your vial holder. In order for our vials to not slip out of the bottom, I'll be adding more straps to the bottom of the loops. And we're done! Now we have a place to keep all of our potions for on the go.